Today's the day. I don't know what else to say, but today's the day. So in case you're wondering, today is driveway day. Level down the front. You have to put another layer of tubna. It's like a compacting material so that you can then run cement or pavers or whatever you want. Take down to a proper level to the house, and then the tubna or material goes down. So we just had to discuss about bringing in more material. I wasn't expecting that. We noticed as he was driving that one of his fuel lines to his injection pump on the machine just had a leak of oil. Thankfully, I have all the tools here. So we opened it up and I just gave that a tighten, verified that it wasn't leaking anymore, and done. Machine back and running. I think what I'm most excited for is to finally have this pad back here. Right now it's only going to be this material, which is like compacted, but it'll be nice. And then this will wrap around here, and then I'll be able to drive in and finally park both my cars in the garage. It'll be legendary. Compactor. So we may have missed a couple of things. They brought all this material in, they leveled it all out. Now we're gonna start watering it, and he's gonna start compacting it so that we can have a nice flat driveway for the time being. I think this is actually probably one of my favorite things we've done to our house. It's completely changed the look of the house, which is amazing. Bye, Mr. Truck. Oh. This is so amazing. This is going to be the first time I drive on this. Oh my God. It's officially my Benz in the farm. My Stinson looks incredible in the back here. What a view. I don't know if you can tell, this has been over the course of 3 days, and it's been like an ongoing project. I've got to clear this section out. But other than that, I have a driveway. Finished. It's like 6 or 7 bags. I still have my wife's car in here, and I don't get the full perspective. I'm gonna put this car outside, and we're gonna see. That was a long startup. I'm just driving through my property here. Whoa, nice and tight, nice and tight. Look how convenient that is. You just drive around the house. Like, that's literally why we did this. It's like, it's amazing. I love that I can have both my cars in the back. And I can pull right around and go through my own little racetrack. It's like a little racetrack. I just got like so sidetracked. Like super sidetracked. Seems appropriate. This whole time, my manhole was here. Oh my gosh. The amount of spider webs down here is crazy. Probably about 2 or 3 months since I've cleaned down here. And, well, now it's time to clean. Oh. So currently I've finished vacuuming that, and I actually started taking apart the workbench because it's not gonna serve me anymore. As I was taking this apart, and what I didn't see, hey Booch, I didn't see that I have all these extra logs. I can probably cut them up. My life is like a never-ending vicious cycle of making a mess, vacuuming, making a mess, vacuuming, and then making more mess to vacuum again, and then vacuuming another mess that I make. It's just non-stop. So this is good for temporary. I have 5 in the front, 5 in the back. When my Stinson is over top of this, and I do have to walk past here, this should be strong enough. We're gonna test and see. If it falls through, it falls through. All of this mess is getting outrageous. I need to clean this up, get both cars in here. Let's get this figured out. Okay, so now the garage is perfectly clean. So now I think it's the perfect time. I can pull both cars in. Bench is obviously looking beautiful. Let's get Stinson and the Audi in here. Oh, we're gonna be blessed with a beautiful sunset today. Do you think the Audi is gonna clear here? It should. Officially, I have both my cars in the shop, and I have actually some pretty good door room on both sides to get in and out of the cars. That's ideal, and I still have space here to work. I can still work here on the bench. Ideally, I'm never gonna have both cars in here when I am doing the work that I need to do in here. The only thing I gotta be like really actually worried about, driving in the hole. I don't think that's gonna be an issue, so that's super sick. I'm really liking doing this type of content because it's a little bit more my style, what I'm doing on the weekends, and I really have a fun time making these. It's very cool that I get to do my projects as well as what I'm doing here on the house. If you guys are interested, keep watching. We got Stinson and the Audi inside the shop, so that's a big win for everybody. Thanks for watching.